Hi everyone. Today we are going to study about the new topic, that is series. This is a very important topic in mathematics. So series about series in mathematical analysis. Uh, Series is very important to study, right? And how to define this series? This is a series expression in general, an expression of the form a1 plus a2 plus a1, a2, a3, etc. are the terms of the series. The sequence of means a1, comma, a2, comma, a3, comma, etc., an, comma, etc. This is sequence. Here, in the place of comma, you have to add this each term. That is a1 plus a2 plus a3 plus etc. plus an plus etc. This is called an infinite series. This contains infinite number of terms, so this is an infinite series. The numbers a1, a2, a3, etc. are called the terms of the series, and an is called the nth term or general term. And the series itself is denoted by sigma n equal to 1 to infinity an, or simply sigma an. Series means infinite series, it contains infinite number of terms. Okay, so without explaining some examples, what do you mean by the sum of the infinite series? Sum of each term. First term is 1. The sum of the two terms, this 1 plus 2 into 2 by 3. Sum of third term is 3 equal to 1 plus 2 into 2 by 3 plus 2 into 2 by 3 whole square. S3, S4, what will be that? 1 plus 2 into 2 by 3 plus 2 into 2 by 3 whole square plus 2 into 2 by 3 whole cube. In Sn, S3, there is square. For Sn, 1 plus 2 into 2 by 3 plus 2 into 2 by 3 whole square plus etc. plus 2 into 2 by 3 whole raised to n minus 1. This is the sum of first n terms. This is Sn. Okay. So, what is relation between this sum of n terms and the series? Sum of n terms means Sn, and when n tends to infinity, this will be our series. Okay, so this limit of Sn is equal to, that is the limit of our series. So S equal to limit n tends to infinity Sn. The convergence of infinite series. How do you define the convergence of the infinite series? Consider the infinite series sigma n equal to 1 to infinity an, and that means it is add this infinite number of terms a1 plus a2 plus etc. plus an plus etc. Nth partial sum means that is Sn, that is the first n terms sum of the first n terms. So Sn must be equal to k equal to 1 to n ak, that is a1 plus a2 plus a3 plus etc. plus an. This is the sum, nth partial sum. Then sequence of partial sum means sequence Sn, that is sequence S1, S2, S3, S4, etc., Sn, etc. This is a sequence of partial sums. If the sequence of partial sums Sn converges to the number S, then that is, if limit n tends to infinity, Sn equal to S, then the series sigma an converges and has the sum S. This is sigma n equal to 1 to infinity a n equal to a1 plus a2 plus etc plus an plus etc which is equal to s. If sequence Sn diverges, then we say that sigma an diverges. So what is the relation between the sequence of partial sums and the series? If the sequence of partial sum converges and converges to the number yes, then we can say that the series converges to the number yes. Okay, and if the series diverges, then we will say that the series sigma an diverges. Right? So, this is the relation between the sequence of partial sums and our series. If the sequence of partial sums converges and has a sum yes, then we will say that the series also converges and the limit is yes. Right? So, this is a note. Be sure to that the difference between sequence and the series. Sequence is a succession of terms, whereas series is the sum of terms. We have already discussed about that. Okay, series is a sum of the terms, and this is a succession of the terms. Look at the example. Determine whether the series converges. If the series converges, find its sum. Sigma n equal to 1 to infinity n. How will you do? You have to find out the sequence of partial sums. So the nth partial sum is given by Sn equal to 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus etc plus n. We know that the first n term sum is equal to n into n plus 1 by 2. So limit n tends to infinity n into n plus 1 by 2, which is equal to what? Which is equal to infinity. So limit Sn equal to what? Infinity. So we will get the sequence. This is a sequence of partial sums. This diverges. That is the limit does not exist. So we say that the limit of the series diverges. Okay. Next we have to do this is the nth partial sum of the series. This is question sigma n equal to 1 to infinity 1 by n minus 1 by n plus 1. This is very important example. So this is 1 minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3 minus 1 by 4 plus etc. 1 by n minus 1 by n plus 1. So Sn equal to what? Sn equal to 1 by n minus 1 by n minus 1 by n plus 1. So Sn 1 minus 1 by 2 plus this is when we are adding this minus 1 by 2, 1 by 2 get cancelled. 1 by 3 minus 1 by 3 get cancelled, and the remaining term is this is 1 here minus 1 by n plus 1. So 1 minus 1 by n plus 1 is a sequence Sn. So what will be the limit Sn? It's equal to limit n tends to infinity 1 minus 1 by n plus 1. N infinity, when n goes to infinity, this term goes to 0. So the remaining limit is 1. So the sequences converges to the form value 1. And this example is also known as very important telescoping series. This is the telescoping series. Okay. So you have to study this carefully, and you have to do some more problems in this. Show that the series sigma n equal to 1 to infinity 4 by 4 n square minus 1 is convergent, and find its sum. 4 by 4n square minus 1. 4 by 2n minus 1, 2n plus 1. 2 by 2n minus 1, 2 by 2n plus 1. So Sn is equal to this one equal to, we can convert this into this one. So equal to this get cancelled. This is type of telescoping series. So the sum will be 2 minus 2 by 2n plus 1. And limit n tends to infinity Sn. This will be our limit of our series. So n tends to infinity, this term tends to 0, and so the remaining value is 2. So this is converges to 2. Okay. So from the exercises you have to do some more problems and complete it as, as soon as possible. Okay. Thank you.